Gold falls slightly during the early hours on Friday. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The gold market has drifted a little bit lower during the early hours on Friday as we continue to see a lot of volatility in the metals markets. But I think at this juncture, we are certainly in a holding pattern as we are trying to determine whether or not the $4,000 level, its importance. If the market were to break down below the $3,950 region, then that would be pretty negative. But ultimately, the 50-day EMA and the $4,000 level, I believe, will offer a certain amount of support. If we do bounce from here, then we could be looking at a return to the $4,200 level, the most recent swing high. We made a very extreme swing high and then saw a ton of shorting pressure come into the market to reach towards the 50-day EMA and then bounce again, but the bounce was with less volume and wasn't as high as the previous one. With that being said, the fact that we have pulled back, we have made a lower high. The question now is whether or not we are going to be a lower low. If that happens, then that is the classic definition of a trend change. We'll just have to wait and see. As things stand right now, I think gold definitely fares better than silver, but in a relative sense, gold, of course, has the central banks out there continuing to buy it, and of course, is part of a lot of portfolios to begin with, so it's part of why it's a little safer than silver. Nonetheless, it certainly looks like we are at a major decision point, and it looks as if the market doesn't really know what to do. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.